Hello guys, nag-order pala ako ng photochromic anti-radiation glasses, square sunshade women glasses, full frame passion eyewear guys. Ang ganda guys, oh. 'Di ba? Kita nyo naman, sobrang ganda-ganda ng na-order kong salamin guys. Ayan, subukan natin. Ang ganda talaga guys, lalo na kapag nasa labas tayo guys, magdidilim yung salamin niya guys. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng anti-radiation glasses, click my yellow basket guys. Ayan. Hello guys, sa mga naghahanap ng murang clothes haul, Ziploc pouch 30 gram guys. Ito guys, ang dami-dami rin pala guys. Meron siyang 30 gram, 50 gram at 100 gram guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Click my yellow basket habang may free shipping. Hello guys, nag-order pala ako ng elbow and knee pad for kids, support for basketball, volleyball. Pwede pala siyang 3 years old hanggang 18 years old children guys. Guys, ayan guys, oh. Size medium pala yan guys, yung sa knee pad niya guys. Yung sa elbow niya guys, size small pala guys. Click my yellow basket guys.